Do you want to know how to use modal verbs in English sentences and what are modal verbs? Do you want to know the power of using them? Hi everyone, this is Sriman Mahapatra. I'm a communication skills specialist and I will help you through this video how you can use modal verbs and what exactly are modal verbs. So let me help you understand first of all what are modal verbs. Modal verbs basically are those words which help us to understand the modalities in the sentence. Modalities means intention. What is your intention? Is it some kind of advice that you want to give to someone? Is it some kind of strict action that you want someone to take? Is it a request that you want to make to someone? So your intention can be reflected through your sentences using modal verbs because they help us with the modality, means formality or the intention. Yes. So all of you got that? Just have got that in the comments below. I would really love you to participate because your comment helps me to produce quality content for you. All right, so don't forget to comment below this video. So now let me help you understand some of the usage. Let me help you understand how we can use some of the modal verbs in our sentences. So the first one, I would like you to understand that if you want to convey someone about something strict, okay, then you can use words like must, have to, ought to, and they are literally replaceable. So you can say you must wear helmet, or you can say you have to wear helmet, or you can also say you ought to wear helmet while riding. Okay, so if you want to tell something strict and no compromise sentences, then you can use these modal verbs in your sentences. Okay, can you write about 3 sentences using these 3 different modal verbs to showcase what strictness you want to tell to someone? Please put it in the comments below and please practice. It will really help you to improve. The next type of modality verb I can say is advisory. For example, you want to give a suggestion, an idea or an advice to someone, you can use these modal verbs: should have, may, all of these. Okay, so for example, I can say that you may want to check some of my previous videos about English sentence construction. That means I'm trying to give you an advice, trying to give you a suggestion. I can say that you should have called me yesterday at 4 p.m. That means if you would have called me at 4 p.m. yesterday, it would have been better. A kind of an idea or a suggestion or a correction, something like that. Okay, so all of these advisory things, you can use these modal verbs. So why don't you go ahead and type down 3 sentences again using these modal verbs. Type in the comments below. Now let me help you with the third category of modal verbs, which are requests. So if you want to request something to someone, you should definitely use may, could or would. So instead of asking someone, can you please give me the glass of water, you can say, may I have a glass of water? Instead of saying, can you please call me tomorrow at 7, you can say, could you please call me tomorrow at 7 a.m. You can also say, would you mind calling me at 7 a.m. tomorrow? So beautifully, you can construct your request sentences using the modal verbs. Let me request you to write at least 3 sentences using these modal verbs. Okay, may, could and would. Okay, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Let me also tell you that modal verbs help you to sound your sentences really professional and very polite. So don't forget to use modal verbs to your best use, especially in professional communication. I hope this video was really helpful to you. If it was, type 100% helpful in the comments below. And if you want some serious guidance from me and from my team, then go ahead, check the link in the description to join my exclusive community to help you with professional communication and public speaking. Looking forward to your comments and looking forward to you subscribing this channel and giving that like. I will see you in the next content.